A guide to spring cleaning. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello and welcome to a new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Cleaning your house can be overwhelming, but it is quite satisfying to stay in a healthy home. Nothing can be compared to coming home to a place that is so clean, fresh and sparkles. Spring cleaning is the practice of thoroughly cleaning a house in the springtime. After a long winter, spring has finally sprung. No matter how busy you are, it is essential to create time each year to deep clean and get your home organized. Before dust, mold, and other organisms cause health challenges to your family, they should be removed through spring cleaning. Are you ready to begin? You are welcome to another helpful tip from FastKlean, your #1 cleaning agency in the United Kingdom. We are committed to helping you stay healthy by keeping a neat home. We provide you with tips that help to get rid of allergen, germs and bacteria from your home. If used effectively, the information can help dispose of dust, mold, bugs, mites and other allergens. The critical question is, how do you prepare your home to welcome the spring season? Cleaning the entire house can be tiring. It is advised to have a spring cleaning list to ease the task. The checklist should include areas such as: Number 1. The bathroom. To save time, it is advised that you remove everything from the bathroom before cleaning. It helps you save time if you take out shampoo, soap and other items from your shower. Clear your cabinets, so you won't have to shuffle things across the counter while cleaning. After clearing, it is time to dust, sweep and vacuum. It will help to wipe underneath and behind everything present in your bathroom. The challenging ceiling corners are not excluded. If it is difficult to reach, you can use a duster to perform the task. Clean all surfaces with a sponge or washcloth, the walls and the towel rack included. Once you are done dusting, it is time to wipe the entire shower and bathtub. Don't forget to add extra effort in scrubbing tough spots. As soon as you clean them, replace items to their initial position. Then, you can clean the sink basin and the faucet. Don't forget to use a clean cloth. The next activity has to do with cleaning the toilet. You can scrub your toilet properly with your toilet cleaner and a brush. Make sure you don't forget to clean outside of the toilet and other tricky areas, such as the behind of it. Finally, grab a bucket filled with warm water and a cleaner. It is time to end it all by mopping the floor. After scouring the floor, replace towels and rugs in their various places. In addition, if you encounter any difficulty in cleaning your bathroom, or you have a question to ask, don't hesitate to contact us to get help. Number 2. The bedroom. With spring having arrived, there is no better time to deep clean the bedroom than now. It is best to begin by opening the windows for ventilation. Take your time to remove everything that is not meant to be present in the room. Don't forget to place them where they rightfully belong. Move your bed to one side of the room to check and tidy the underneath, since it is one of the best places for organisms to hide. Empty your wardrobe or drawer, take dirty clothes to the laundry basket, and neatly fold the clean ones. If there are clothes you no longer want to wear, why not consider donating them or giving them out as presents? Dust the room thoroughly, vacuum and clean the furniture. Number 3. The living room. Just like you did for the bedroom, you need to open the window for ventilation. Remove all items that are not supposed to be in the living room. These include toys, shoes, and more. During this exercise, you can get a bin to make decluttering faster. Vacuum sofas and clean everywhere necessary. Your lampshade should be clean and dusted. Dust your television, clean your windows and all other items present in the living room. Clean doors and their knobs, sweep, dust rugs and wash the floor. Number 4. The kitchen. Spring is almost here. How ready is your kitchen? Have you thought about spring cleaning your kitchen? Below is a concise and straightforward guide to assist you. Your kitchen is one of the rooms consistently used within the house, and it is engaged for a longer time daily. When you are ready to begin cleaning your kitchen, start from the top to avoid getting dust on areas that have been cleaned. Every surface in your kitchen should be wiped thoroughly during cleaning. These include tables, chairs, countertops, cupboards, sinks, faucets, and other items. Items that don't belong to the kitchen should be removed to make room for space, which will make movement easy. Cleaning the kitchen, especially the various appliances used, can be a daunting task. However, you can take each task bit by bit till you reach the final step. If there are things you no longer need, don't hesitate to dispose of them instead of keeping them. This is the best time for you to organize and clean cupboards and drawers and create extra space to store items. Finally, you are at the end of it all. This is the time for you to sweep and mop your kitchen floor. Your kitchen cannot sparkle if you don't mop thoroughly. It will help if you clean the underneath of large appliances, because cleaning the visible areas in the kitchen alone is just one part of the task. Don't be in haste to finish everything in a rush. Take your time to tackle one appliance at a time. This will help to prolong their lifespan. The manual for the appliance will guide you in maintaining them. Keep in mind that your productivity depends mainly on how neat and organized your home is. If your schedule is too tight for you to have time to clean, don't forget to give FastKlean a call. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.